Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of vehicle maintenance that often goes overlooked: motor oil. As the lifeblood of your engine, choosing the right motor oil is paramount for optimal performance and longevity. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the diverse world of motor oils, from conventional to synthetic blends, and unravel the mysteries behind viscosity ratings. Uncover the key factors to consider when selecting the perfect oil for your vehicle. Stick around until the end for an insider tip that could potentially revolutionize your engine's performance. Let's embark on this lubricated journey together. Your engine will thank you later. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. The Castrol Edge Euro 5W40A3B4 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants the best for their vehicle, you'll want to stick around for this one. Specifications breakdown. Let's kick things off by breaking down the specs. The Castrol Edge Euro 5W40 meets a slew of impressive standards: API CFSN, ASIA A3B4, BMW Longlif 01, MB approval 229.3, 229.5, Porsche A40, Renault RN 0700 0710, and VW 50200 500 and 500. That's a mouthful, but it essentially means it's top-notch quality. ACA oil sequences. Digging deeper, Castrol Edge Eurocar products are optimized for ACA oil sequences. These sequences, set by European automobile manufacturers, are known for their stringent requirements. Whether you're running a gasoline or diesel engine, this oil goes above and beyond the standard ILSAC API requirements. Fluid titanium technology. What sets this oil apart is its fluid titanium technology. Under pressure, it transforms, bolstering film strength to prevent oil breakdown. This not only reduces friction but also delivers up to 40% better performance against ACA standards. Talk about unlocking the full potential of your engine. Superior engine protection. When it comes to engine protection, Castrol Edge Euro 5W40 leaves conventional and synthetic blend oils in the dust. Its advanced formulation ensures superior defense against deposits, wear, and oxidation. It's like a shield for your engine, providing the peace of mind every car owner craves. The Leaky Moly Top Tech 4100 SAE 5W40. If you're a car enthusiast like me, you know how crucial it is to find the right oil for your engine. Let's see if this one lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the user experience. Pouring the Leaky Moly Top Tech 4100 is a breeze. The bottle design and spout make it easy to control the flow, preventing messy spills. Whether you're a DIYer or a seasoned mechanic, you'll appreciate the simplicity. Now, onto performance. This motor oil boasts synthesis technology, and let me tell you, it delivers. The engine runs smoother, and I noticed an improvement in fuel efficiency. It's like a boost for your car's heart. Plus, it meets the manufacturer's recommendations, ensuring top-notch performance. Superior lubrication. One of the standout features is the exceptional lubrication it provides. The Leaky Moly Top Tech 4100 creates a protective film on engine components, reducing friction and wear. It's like a spa day for your engine, keeping everything running smoothly and extending the lifespan of crucial parts. Temperature stability. Now, let's touch on something crucial: temperature stability. This oil handles heat like a champ. Whether you're cruising through scorching summer roads or tackling winter chills, the Leaky Moly Top Tech 4100 maintains its viscosity, ensuring optimal engine protection in all conditions. Cost-effective. Last but not least, the cost-effectiveness of this motor oil. With a 5-liter container, you're getting bang for your buck. It's competitively priced for the quality you're receiving. Longevity, performance, and efficiency, all without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Leaky Moly Top Tech 4100 SAE 5W40 gets a big thumbs up from me. It's easy to use, highly efficient, and offers superior lubrication and temperature stability. If you want to pamper your car's engine with top-tier care, this is the motor oil for you. The Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. If you're a gearhead like me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. Triple Protection Plus technology. First things first, let's talk tech. The Triple Protection Plus technology in this oil is a game changer. It's not just about preventing wear and deposits, but also about tackling oil breakdown head-on. This means your engine gets an all-around shield, ensuring longevity and peak performance. Heavy-duty engine applications. Now, let's discuss versatility. Whether you're cruising in your pickup truck, maneuvering a tractor, or commanding a semi-rig, the Shell Rotella T6 has got your back. With exceptional wear protection, it's tailor-made for heavy-duty engine applications, making it a go-to choice for various vehicles. Fuel economy boost. Who doesn't want better fuel economy without sacrificing protection? The T6 delivers with a 1.5% increase compared to traditional 15W40 oils. It's a win-win. You save on fuel, and your engine remains robust and durable. Efficiency meets reliability in a bottle. Advanced dispersant additives. Let's talk about keeping it clean. The multifunctional dispersant additives in this formulation take protection up a notch. They guard against soot, dirt, and contaminants better than the previous formulation. Your engine stays cleaner, ensuring optimal performance even in challenging conditions. Shear stability for viscosity control. Last but not least, viscosity control matters. The T6 doesn't just maintain viscosity, it excels at it. Increased shear stability translates to optimal oil pressure, providing your engine with the consistency it craves. Say goodbye to fluctuations and hello to a smoother, more responsive ride. And there you have it, folks. The Shell Rotella T6 full synthetic 5W40 diesel engine oil is a powerhouse for your engine. With its cutting-edge tech, versatility, fuel efficiency, and advanced protection, it's a no-brainer for anyone serious about engine care. Do yourself a favor and give your ride the love it deserves. The Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life Technology SAE 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. If you're looking to give your high-mileage engine some TLC, stick around to find out if this product is the one for you. Max Life Technology. Let's kick things off with Max Life Technology, a game-changer in engine protection. This motor oil boasts a whopping 40% better wear protection than the industry standard, ensuring your engine stays in top-notch condition for miles to come. Say goodbye to unexpected breakdowns. Seal conditioners. The Valvoline High Mileage formula doesn't stop at just protecting your engine. It goes the extra mile by refreshing aging seals and preventing leaks. The inclusion of seal conditioners ensures that your engine's vital components are tightly sealed, keeping pesky leaks at bay and extending the life of your vehicle. Detergents for a clean engine. Nobody likes a dirty engine, right? This motor oil takes care of that too. With added detergents, it works diligently to reduce sludge, deposits, corrosion, and rust. Your engine stays squeaky clean on the inside, promoting optimal performance and longevity. Friction-fighting agents. Enhanced friction performance is the name of the game here. Valvoline's advanced friction-fighting agents help maximize power, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Say goodbye to that sluggish feeling. This motor oil is designed to keep things running like a well-oiled machine, meeting industry standards. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. Valvoline High Mileage meets or exceeds all requirements of ILSAC GF6A, APISP, APISN with SN+, and APISN. Rest easy knowing that your engine is getting the care it deserves with a motor oil that meets the highest industry standards. In conclusion, the Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life Technology is not just a motor oil. It's an investment in your engine's well-being. American-made and formulated to maximize performance, it's a top contender for those looking to extend the life of their high-mileage vehicles. The Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, 5-quart if you're like me, you want the best for your engine, and this product promises just that. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Exceptional protection for critical engine parts. First things first, Mobil 1 Extended Performance claims to protect critical engine parts for up to 20,000 miles between oil changes. It's like a shield for your engine, controlling oxidation and preventing oil breakdown. That's impressive longevity in terms of engine care. Triple Action Plus formula for optimal performance. What caught my eye is the Triple Action Plus formula. Mobil 1 doesn't just stop at protection, it enhances engine performance, cleanliness, and power. It's like a superhero for your engine, providing an all-in-one solution for those who demand excellence from their motor oil, meeting ILSAC GF6 standards. Safety first, right? Mobil 1 Extended Performance meets the ILSAC GF6 standards, ensuring low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear protection. Plus, it keeps your engine clean, contributing to improved fuel economy. It's like having a guardian angel for your vehicle's heart. Engine life extension. Nobody likes deposits and sludge buildup, and Mobil 1 Extended Performance actively works against them. By doing so, it contributes to extending your engine's life. It's not just about today. It's an investment in the future of your vehicle. Extreme temperature protection. Whether you're dealing with scorching heat or freezing cold, this motor oil has your back. With internal engine heat protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and low temperature protection down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, Mobil 1 Extended Performance ensures your engine stays in its comfort zone, no matter the weather. In conclusion, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20 5-quart seems to live up to its promises. It's like the VIP treatment for your engine, providing top-notch protection, performance, and cleanliness. If you're serious about taking care of your vehicle, this might just be the motor oil for you. So that wraps up our list of the best motor oil in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our content market family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.